and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a new nail art tutorial for you. This time it's cocktail inspired because it's still summer, like it's really dreary outside right now while I'm filming this. But it is still summer, so I hope by the time this comes online it will actually be decent weather again to drink cocktails on the beach. Yeah, I went for a pink one. You can go really anywhere with this look, so let's get started. I'm beginning as usual with a buffed acrylic nail. Of course you can also use your own natural nails for this. And yeah, I'm starting off this time with a nail polish. I'm using a gel nail polish. One thing I do gotta mention, if you're doing this on your natural nails, do actually check if your gel nail polish is safe to use on natural nails. Not all of them are, the one I'm using incidentally is. But yeah, just keep that in mind. Of course, letting it dry between the layers, and then I'm just adding a second one. Once that's fully dry, it's time to start painting. I'm not buffing it this time because I actually need the slipperiness of the nails to actually get the effect that I want, which we're going to get into in a moment. But first off, we're just going to paint the basic shape of the cocktail glass. And as per usual, I'm just using cheap acrylic paint and nail art brushes. Then by the time the paint is still wet but not completely wet anymore, then I'm going to sort of scrape it off the nail using the brush. So basically I'm just scraping paint off the center of the glass, wiping off the brush and then continuing. Just to get sort of a gloss effect where the edges are clearly white and then the rest of it is sort of see-through. This to me is the easiest way to acquire sort of a gloss effect really. And if you go too far and go over the edges, then of course you can just fix them with a liner brush and some extra white paint. Then for the cocktail itself I'm going for pink. I didn't have a specific taste in mind. Let me know by the way what your favorite type is. Like I really love Tequila Sunrise personally. But let me know in the comment section what your favorite is, just out of curiosity. But yeah, I'm just mixing in multiple colors that I feel look good with the backdrop. So yellow and red. And then I'm also going to paint a little straw. Then as far as outlines go, I'm really only going to outline said straw because, you know, I want it to sort of come loose from the rest of the glass, but I don't want to like outline the entire glass because it's made of glass, so it's see-through. So yeah, I'm only outlining the straw. Then just let it dry properly, and once it's completely dry, we can add the top coat. Of course, again, you can use gel or normal top coat. Whatever you do, make sure the acrylic paint is completely dry before doing this so it doesn't smear. Also, while the top coat is still dry, add a few rhinestones. Sort of as ice cubes. And then let the top coat dry and then we're done. So here's the final result. I really hope you enjoyed watching this look, this tutorial, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, if you did enjoy it, please click the like button, it would really help me out. And if you want to see more of my videos, you can always subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do a nail art once every 2 weeks, but I mostly actually focus on makeup tutorials. I do those twice per week. And other than that, I throw in some other random videos about piercings, about whatever else I can think of. So yeah, if you want to see that, please subscribe. And other than that for today, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I hope to see you next time. Bye!